I've always wanted to come to a Jimjilbang with you.
Me too. Let's go to the hot clay room and sweat.
It's so warm in here.
It is. I'm glad we're here together.
Me too, I love this. Honey, but isn't it too hot?
Right? We must have been lying down too long. I'm getting a bit hot too.
It's too hot. I can't stay here any longer, honey.
Let's go out and drink some cool sikye.
So refreshing. I feel so much better now, honey.
Yeah, it feels even more refreshing and satisfying after sweating.
These characters are so cute.
Yeah, they remind me of us.
Let's read more together. I had so much fun at the Jimjilbang today, darling.
Me too. Let's have another fun date next time. It's late, so I'll walk you home.